As I got a son that's coming up through the ranks, he's chomping at the bit. You know, I'm fairly young in the game, and it adds some pressure. It's a good kind of pressure. Hard work, determination, all that, it's expected. It's a way of life. You want to make sure you're doing things right now. You know, I want him to go away, get to school and weigh out his other options first. But yeah, I hope he comes back. My dad, he's slowing down a little bit. In Buchanan County, if there's 24 guys my age farming, I'd be shocked. And guys even younger than me are even fewer and far between.